Hi, my name is Vince Borelli. I've been with Giant Partners for 18 years out of our 20-year history. I've worked with thousands of clients over the years, from Fortune 500 companies down to mom and pops, and I just wanted to give you a little information about how to do a video chat today. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up the meeting. So typically these days that's sending a link via email to the potential customer, or at Giant Partners we're using Google now, so we actually can send it right through the Google Calendar function, and you just want to make sure that you test that link and make sure the video and the audio is working before you hop on that call, and you'll be good to go. Once we're on this call, we're going to really want to be confident and smile. Your expressions say a lot, your body language says a lot. So all this is going to give your potential customer that much more confidence that you know what you're doing, you believe what you're saying, and you have their best interest in mind, and hopefully you can convey that through the video. Active listening is huge when you're on the video call. You want to stay engaged with these individuals, you want to be focused, you want to make sure that you're not distracted, and you want to let them know that you're listening. Whether you're nodding or smiling or actively responding, actively listening is huge. The background and what's behind you is so important. That paints a picture about your company, about yourself. You want it to be as clean as possible, and at Giant Partners, we have literally transformed our office because of this. We have been doing additions for practically months now because we want the visuals that's behind us to come across as professionally as possible. So whether you make that just as clean as possible, or whether you have a beautiful logo of your company behind you, the more professional that looks, the better, and that's going to really come across and really look great to the other side of that camera. One huge benefit of being on video chat is you can use what's called visuals. You can literally take over the screen on a screen share, and you can actually now show amazing things like other presentations that you've done for other customers. You can show charts, you can show graphs, you can show case studies. You can literally help people understand visually what you're trying to convey, what you would typically only have via a telephone or even in person. So now visuals are a huge sales tool that is so important on video chat. Make sure that you're comfortable with the technology that you're using when you're video conferencing or video chatting. It's really important that you know all the little bells and whistles, and that the person on the other side knows that you have some experience on the subject and that this is not your first time. Links are really important these days. You can use links for a lot of different applications. They've been around a long time, but today they're now live links where you can actually edit these links on the fly. You can use these links to have an entire presentation, and you can just drop that into the chat of the video chat and send that right off to your potential customer. You can also have links that go to other information about your products and services, and they're one click away, they're easy to save, they're easy to remember, and it makes you look really good. I hope you learned a lot today about how to enhance your sales experience using video chat. If you like the information that you just saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.